Is that weird, or do I just not know better? How that one's track goes in a curve. At first I thought it went up and around. But it's 3 different ones. It's 3 different... Am I crazy? What the fuck? Sorry about my shaking. Am I crazy? What? I don't feel like I've ever saw them do that before. I don't really be seeing like weather phenomenons like people be talking about, or like UFOs or anything. There was one story that I just thought about, but that was a different story. That was magical. I'm not gonna talk about it right now. That was cool as fuck. But look at this though. Do they have to be like... I don't know how long the... You know, I don't know. I honestly don't know. I can't remember what these are called. But do they have to be like going around the same time before the other one fades out? Like the lines or whatever? Or does it not matter? Because that one looked like it curves right into the other ones. I'm just trying to like... I guess. I mean, I'm sure there wasn't a... Like if you look over there, you can see it. How it curves into the other one. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking wrong or something. I mean, I'm sure they could have went at different times. But shit, that'd be close if you're trying to curve into another one's path. I know they got the time